Hello everyone, if you're trying to use the map in Crimson Desert and your game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your game crashing whenever you open up your map easily. So first off, you're going to go to your games menu, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select Crimson Desert here, and then once you hover onto Crimson Desert, you're going to click onto the start button on your controller, and when you click onto the start button, it will open up this menu. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto check for update first, and then check if there's an update, and then update your game. And once it's done updating, now you're going to go back to that same start menu. Now you're going to click on to restore license here, and then you're going to restore the license. Don't worry, this will not delete the game from your PlayStation. Once it does that, now you can just go ahead and restart your PlayStation 5. Once you're done with restarting your console, now you can go back and you can try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will not crash anymore whenever you open up the map. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.